Every ride starts with excitement, but not every journey ends the way you expect. Some takes you places, others change the way you feel. This trip had everything: speed, setbacks, and stunning views. A broken iPhone, a bike that wouldn't shift gears. But no way was I turning back. From chasing sunrises over the Panchachuli Peaks to slipping on frozen ice, every moment was an adventure. This is Munsiyari like you have never seen before. It was Friday evening when I left Champawat, chasing the wind, chasing a feeling. And the plan? Reach Pithoragarh by night, crash at a friend's place, and ride towards Munsiyari the next morning. The excitement was real. The road, unknown. One wrong move, and everything changed. My bike tipped over, and under its weight was my iPhone, crushed. As if that wasn't enough, the impact bent the gear shifter, making every shift a battle. Stuck on the road with a broken phone and a bike that wouldn't listen. This was just the beginning. Welcome to the first lesson of the ride. Some things break before the journey begins. Morning comes with a choice. Do you turn back or find a way forward? I obviously chose the latter. Fixed my bike, fixed my mood, and just like that, I was back on the road chasing mountains again. There is something about these small moments. Sharing a meal with strangers, feeling the warmth of a fire after a cold ride. It's in these pauses that the journey actually happens. Not in the speed, not in the distance. And then the moment came. That first turn when the mountains reveal themselves. No camera can capture it, no words can explain it. It's not just a view, it's a feeling. The kind that silences every thought in your mind. Step by step, the excitement fades, replaced by exhaustion, then pain, and then nothing. Just breath, cold air, and the sound of boots against ice. Sometimes, the journey does that to you. It strips away everything until only you remain. And when you finally reach, it's not about winning. It's about sitting there, watching the sky change colors, watching the sun say goodbye to the peaks, and realizing you didn't conquer the mountains. You were just lucky enough to be there. The mountains have their own way of teaching you things. The people living here, even more so. It's in their stories, their simplicity, their way of looking at life. No rush, no race, just being. And then the unexpected. A waterfall flowing right over the road. Without a thought, I stepped in. Maybe to wash away the dust, maybe to wash away something else. And just like that, the ride back was different. No rush, no destination, just music, the road, and a kind of peace I hadn't felt in a long time. Some journeys start with excitement, takes you through chaos, and end in calm. Maybe that's the point. To feel everything and then to feel nothing at all. Would you trade the chaos for calm? Or is it the chaos that makes the calm feel so good?